Pretty good looking day, which is leading to a pretty good looking evening. If you're looking for something to do on this Thursday evening, I highly recommend heading to Cheapside, where Thursday Night Live will begin in about 20 minutes. It is a terrific event, very family friendly. You can go down and enjoy the time with some of your friends. 64 West is playing out there tonight. So that's a live look, an exclusive look with our 21C Museum Hotel WeatherBug camera. Thanks to the good folks at St. Joseph Health. We are talking about a nice evening. MaxTrack Live Doppler, little tiny showers trying to get its act together over in Marion County. You've got one little shower south of Whitley City there in McCreary County, and that's pretty much it. The big storms are up in Ohio. Next few days, it's typical summer. It's partly sunny, it's warm and humid. Thunderstorm chance, yeah, not a big one though. Most of the days are fine, and temperatures will be into the mid-80s. Meteorological summer, we're at the 2/3 point. It's flying by. Next week, there's an itty-bitty little heat wave. We'll talk about that coming up. Normal high, 86. So we are staying above that today. We'll be at it tomorrow, maybe a degree below on Saturday before we start rebounding as we head toward the first of the week. There's your little itty-bitty heat wave. We get beyond that, things are going to start cooling off, it looks like. June and July, that is the 2/3 point of meteorological summer, which is June through August. As we look to the average temperature, if we take the highs and the lows, we're in 37th place, so a little warmer than average, but nothing dramatic. It's not far from where we should be, although we've had more 90-degree days than we should have. 18 so far in June and July combined. 12 would be the normal in that time frame, and we are a little bit on the wet side as well. Obviously not like last year. 31st place at the moment with just a shade under 11 inches. So you are talking an 88-degree mark at the Bluegrass Airport. Now, if you've been outside in the last few hours, it's a little humid, but it's not bad. Dew point's only at 62. So yeah, you notice it, but it's not over the top uncomfortable. Those northerly winds helping to bring down that less humid air, but not everybody's sharing in that. We'll get to that in a second. Mount Sterling, Moorhead, Flemingsburg, Ashland all at 86. So Danville, Richmond, Jackson, Somerset, and Monticello, and Williamsburg for that matter. 87 comes out of London, but not everybody's 86 feels the same. In London, Monticello, Williamsburg, when those dew points are pushing 70, it's pretty uncomfortable. Mount Sterling and Flemingsburg, Moorhead, when those dew point numbers are in the low 60s, all of a sudden that 86, it feels pretty decent. Not great, but decent. There's a tropical wave down there in the Bahamas. Not going to come of that aside from rain. That front is going to remain stationary just to our south here as we go through tonight and tomorrow. Little waves of low pressure on it. Could increase that rain chance, especially across southern Kentucky tomorrow. Another wave is going to do the same thing for us on Saturday, although the chances for rain a little bit better for us on Saturday. For tonight, it's partly cloudy, it's warm, it's humid. A little fog in some of the valleys will drop to the mid-60s. Your day tomorrow? It's partly sunny. It's warm and humid. Isolated thunderstorm chance will be in the mid-80s. We continue looking ahead, and as we do, you're talking temperatures staying in the mid-80s until we get to about Monday and Tuesday, when it actually does get kind of hot.
Boom.
Better rain chances Saturday, Sunday, but not huge.
Not all day.
It's summer. It's the little popcorn here and there kind of thing.
All right. Looks pretty good. Thanks, Bill.
Ready?